Improve your handwriting like this. Improving your handwriting is a skill that can enhance your communication and personal expression. The journey to better handwriting begins with understanding the basics of letter formation and spacing. Start by choosing the right tools, a comfortable pen or pencil, and quality paper. Practicing regularly is crucial. Dedicate a few minutes each day to write the alphabet, focusing on each letter's shape and size. Pay attention to the consistency of your letters, ensuring they are evenly spaced and aligned. Additionally, proper posture and grip can significantly affect your writing. Sit up straight, with your feet flat on the floor, and hold your pen with a relaxed grip. Consider using lined paper or a guide to keep your writing straight. Don't rush, take your time to form each letter carefully. Analyzing and mimicking well-crafted handwriting styles can also provide inspiration and guidance. With patience and persistence, your handwriting will gradually become more legible and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every improvement, no matter how small, is a step towards better handwriting. 1. Analyze your current handwriting. Write a paragraph in your normal handwriting. Identify what you like and dislike about it, e.g., slant, size, spacing, legibility. Focus on writing each letter of the alphabet clearly and consistently. 2. Use the right tools. Pen, pencil. Find a pen or pencil that feels comfortable in your hand. Some people prefer pens with a finger tip, while others might prefer gel pens or fountain pens. The right pen or pencil feels comfortable in your hand, reducing strain and allowing for better control over your movements. This can lead to more consistent and fluid writing. High-quality pens have smoother ink flow, which helps create clear and consistent lines without skips or blobs. This can make your handwriting look neater and more professional. Paper. Use lined paper to help with alignment. You can also use graph paper to practice consistency in size and spacing. Using good quality paper can also make a difference. Smooth, thick paper prevents ink from bleeding through and provides a better surface for writing, which can help in achieving more precise and clean letters. Tools designed with ergonomics in mind can help reduce fatigue and strain on your hand and fingers, allowing you to write more comfortably for longer periods. This can improve the overall quality of your handwriting. 3. Work on your grip. Hold the pen or pencil properly. Typically, it's best to hold it between your thumb and index finger while resting it on your middle finger. Make sure your grip is not too tight to avoid fatigue. Use the tripod grip, where the pen rests on the middle finger and is held in place by the thumb and index finger. 4. Improve your posture. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your arm at a comfortable angle. Perform exercises like squeezing a stress ball, using hand grippers, or stretching your fingers with rubber bands. Place your fingers on a flat surface and push down, lifting your palm off the surface. Manipulate therapy putty by squeezing, stretching, and rolling it. 5. Practice basic strokes. Basic strokes form the foundation of all letters and numbers. Practice vertical lines, horizontal lines, and circles. Move on to more complex shapes and letters once you are comfortable with the basics. Repeated practice of basic strokes helps develop muscle memory, making it easier to produce clean and consistent handwriting. Regular practice helps in making your strokes smoother and more fluid, reducing jerky or shaky lines. Techniques for practicing basic strokes. Vertical lines. Practice drawing straight. Vertical lines to improve steadiness. Horizontal lines. Work on horizontal lines for consistency in height and width. Curves and loops. Practice curved lines and loops to enhance fluidity and control. Circles and ovals. Drawing circles and ovals helps with the rounded parts of letters. Diagonal lines. Improve your ability to form diagonal strokes, which are essential for many letters. 6. Focus on consistency. Work on making your letters uniform in size and shape. Pay attention to spacing between letters and words. Improvement takes time and consistent effort. 7. Use handwriting worksheets. Find or create worksheets that provide guidelines for practicing each letter of the alphabet. Focus on both uppercase and lowercase letters. Start with worksheets that focus on individual letter formation, both uppercase and lowercase. If you're interested in cursive, find worksheets dedicated to cursive letter formation and connections. Use lined worksheets to help with letter size and alignment. 8. Slow down. Write slowly and deliberately to focus on forming each letter correctly. Speed can come later as your muscle memory improves. 9. Regular practice. Set aside time each day to practice handwriting. Consistency is key to improvement. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes per session to see noticeable improvements. 10. Copy texts. Copy passages from books or articles. This helps you practice connecting letters and maintaining consistency across words and sentences. Start with tracing letters and words on the worksheets. 11. Try different styles. Experiment with different handwriting styles, e.g., cursive, print, to find what feels most natural and looks best for you. 12. Stay patient and positive. Improvement takes time, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate small improvements to stay motivated. Ask someone to review your handwriting and provide constructive feedback. Use feedback to make targeted improvements. Example for practice plan. Week 1. Focus on grip, posture, and basic strokes. Practice vertical and horizontal lines, circles, and basic shapes. Week 2. Start with individual letters, uppercase and lowercase. Use worksheets and focus on consistency and spacing. Week 3. Practice writing words and short sentences. Focus on maintaining uniform size and shape of letters. Week 4. Copy longer passages from books or articles. Begin to write faster while maintaining legibility. Using handwriting worksheets is a practical and structured approach to enhancing your handwriting skills. By selecting the right worksheets, practicing consistently, maintaining proper technique, and incorporating fun activities, you can make significant improvements. Regular analysis and feedback will help you identify areas for further development, ensuring steady progress over time. With dedication and the right tools, your handwriting can become neater and more legible. Follow these steps for better handwriting day by day.